Video comparison using of UV and transmitted light examination. First, how to differentiate the real money to the fake money on 100 pesos bill based on the security features of the money. We can feel the money, look the money, and tilt the money. By using UV lights, we can determine the money if it is real or not because of the security features we see. Here is a step-by-step process to determine money using UV light and transmitted light. Obtain a UV light sources such as UV lamp or backlight. UV light is used to detect security features in banknotes that are only visible under UV illumination. Examine the banknotes under the UV lights. Look for the following security features that should appear when exposed to the UV light. Security thread, a thin plastic strip embedded in the banknotes that says the denomination and glows under the UV lights. Watermark, a paint image visible when held up to the light that glows under UV lights. Microprinting, tiny text visible only under magnification that glows under UV lights. If the security features glow as expected under UV lights, the banknotes is likely genuine. However, UV lights alone is not a definitive test, as some counterfeit bills may have UV reactive features. To further verify the banknotes, examining it under transmitted light. Genuine banknotes have a watermark visible when held up to the light. The watermark should match the denomination and visible from the both sides of bill. If the banknotes passes both the UV lights and transmitted light test, it is likely genuine. However, it's important to note that these are not foolproof methods, as counterfeiters are constantly improving their techniques. When in doubt, use a banknotes counter or contact the authorities for further verification. So in summary, using UV light to check for security features and transmitted light to verify the watermarks can help determine if a banknote is genuine, but this method should be used in conjunction with other verification techniques for most reliable results.